How to merge two tables vertically in Word document. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Word document. Now here you can see two tables. So firstly click on the blue icon at the top left corner on your table. After that, the whole table will be selected. After the table is selected, go to Table Property and click on Text Wrapping None. Now do the same process for the other text as well. Select it, right click on it, go to Text Property and then choose the option of None for table wrapping. Now you need to move any one of the table and overlap it with the other one. And as you can see, the tables have been now combined. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.